The most talked about news in the cryptocurrency community in the last few days came from the largest video giant, YouTube. Without prior notice, the giant started banning and removing crypto-related videos due to harmful content. Still, according to YouTube, it is not a crypto ban, rather a mistake, and everything should be restored. YouTube's reasoning behind the CryptoPerdi's CryptoPotato reported 2 days ago, YouTube started marking cryptocurrency-related channels. Among the channels got affected were Chris Dunn TV, The Moon, Crypto Zombie, Ivan on Tech, and Nugget S News. All of which are among the most popular crypto channels. While some got penalized or struck, which means they can't publish any new content for 7 days, others got their videos removed from the video platform. The situation continued to escalate within the following day and even received an unofficial name, YouTube's Crypto Purge. With so many affected influencers, the community started speculating on different possible theories on why this could be happening. Even though YouTube didn't offer an official explanation at first, some people thought that it is trying to censor the community by banning Bitcoin and other digital assets. However, after long anticipation, YouTube finally responded to the case. This was an error on our side during the review process. Your video should be reinstated and strikes resolved. According to YouTube's office. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.